dance. It's choreographed by Maddison Glover. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with a restart on wall 4 after 23 counts with a step change. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart and the ending, and then we're going to go through and do 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Here to Dance. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the right side and touch your left next to your right. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side. You're going to pop your right knee in towards the left. You're now going to put your weight onto your right foot and pop your left knee in towards the right. You're going to recover your weight onto your left foot, cross rock your right over your left, recover back onto your left, and step your right foot to the right side. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, step touch to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to cross rock our left over our right, recover back onto your right foot, and then we're going to chasse a quarter turn to the left, stepping left side right together, and make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock, and then do 2 walks forward, right, left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right foot. We would have just stepped to the side. You're going to do your cross rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to press our right toe forward with a bent knee, and you're going to hold. We're now going to quickly step our right next to our left, and you're going to press your left toe forward with a bent knee and hold. You're now going to quickly step your left next to your right and point your right toe to the right side and hold, and then quickly step your right next to your left, point your left toe to the left side, and then hit your left knee up and slightly over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left facing 3 o'clock. We're going to do our presses forward. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. You're going to point your left toe to the left side. We're now going to step our left foot forward and slightly over our right. You're now going to point your right toe to the right side, cross your right over your left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and then we're going to do a crossing shuffle, left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just finished our point hitch with our left. You're going to point your left toe to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do a 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your step touch. Step, touch, side, pop, recover, cross rock, recover, side, cross rock, recover, quarter chasse, step, half pivot, walk, walk, right, press, hold, switch, press, hold, switch, point, hold, switch, point, hitch, point, cross step, point, cross, back, side, crossing shuffle. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right with your touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now let's talk about the restart and the ending. Your restart's going to be on wall 4, so it's the first time that you come to the 9 o'clock wall. We're going to dance the first 23 counts, which is up to your point to the left after your presses forward. So let's dance up to those 23 counts, and then we'll talk about the step change. Weight is on your left. We're doing our step touch to the right. So it's side, touch, side, pop, recover, cross rock, recover, side, cross rock, recover, quarter chasse, step, half pivot, walk, walk, right, press, hold, step, press, hold, step, point, hold, step, point. Right here, instead of hitching our left knee up and over our right, you're just going to step your left next to your right and then start the dance all over again with your step, touch, and your 2 pops. So on that one wall only, you'll dance up to your point to the left, then step together and start the dance all over again. Now let's talk about the ending. Your last wall will be a 9 o'clock facing wall. You'll dance the full 32 counts. So we'll come to 12 o'clock doing your crossing shuffle. You'll have like 2 counts at the very end to do a little bit of an ending. And what Madison would like for you to do is step to the right, and you're going to point your left toe to the left side and then point your right finger up into the air, kind of doing a little bit of a disco pose. I like to put my hand on my hip and kind of make it a little sassy. You don't have to put your hand there as long as you're pointing to the side and pointing up into the diagonal. Then you have ended the dance like the step sheet. So because our left is crossed over our right, you're going to step to the right, point, right finger up, left toe to the left side, step, point. And that will be your ending. So now let's go around. We're going to do 5 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restart into the next wall. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're stepping to the right, doing your step touch. Step, touch, pop, pop. Recover, cross rock, recover, side, cross rock, recover, quarter chasse, step, half pivot, walk, walk, press, hold, step, press, hold, step, point, hitch across, point, cross, step, point, cross, back, side, crossing shuffle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step, touch, pop, pop, recover, cross rock, recover, side, cross rock, recover, quarter chasse, step, half pivot, walk, walk, press, hold, step, press, hold, step, point, hitch across, point, crossover, point, cross, back, side, crossing shuffle. We're going to do our 23 counts with our step change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. Quickly step together for 8. Start over. Step, touch, pop, pop, recover, cross rock, recover, side, cross rock, recover, quarter chasse, step, half pivot, walk, walk, press, hold, step, point, hitch across, point, cross, step, point, cross, back, side, crossing shuffle. And then you'll dance all the way through to the end where you'll do your disco pose. Now that you've learned about the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn here to dance. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.